Good morning, students. Let's start our today's session, which course of day 22. Okay, I'm sharing a PPT for you. Welcome to all of you in my class at Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna. I'm Mr. Khire SV. Today, we are going to learn bridge course of Standard 9 Subject Maths 1 or 2 for day 22. And our today's topic is algebraic identities. We have yesterday already seen some algebraic identities. Now we are going to see another algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Let's recall. Expansion of a plus b and a minus b means multiplication of these two brackets, a plus b into a minus b. Then we will get a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Conversely, factorization of a square minus b square will be a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. This is the formula or identity, algebraic identity. You have to remember this. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. In rectangle, there are formulas. Okay. For example, we will take an example for this. 5m plus 3n into 5m minus 3n is equal to now square of first term minus square of second term. This is the formula. Means 5m whole square minus 3n whole square is equal to square of 5 is 25 and square of m is m square minus square of 3 is 9 and square of n is n square. 25 m square minus 9 n square. We will get this answer by using first this identity. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay. Now next identity, expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. Now, three terms are there. Now, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a plus, it means 2 times multiplication of same bracket. A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. That is a square plus ab plus ac plus ab plus b square plus bc plus ac plus bc plus c square. By multiplying first bracket to second bracket, we will get this. Now add like terms, and we will get a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab means 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. There is 2 times ab, 2 times bc and 2 times ac. Therefore, we get the new identity as a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is our new formula. Understood? Okay. Next is p plus q plus 3 square. P plus q plus 3 whole square. Next example for that. By using a plus b plus c whole square, we get this answer. Follow the steps or use this formula. Square of first term plus square of second term plus square of third term. P square plus q square plus 3 square plus 2 into p into q plus 2 into q into 3 plus 2 into p into 3. Then we will get the answer p square plus q square plus 9. Square of 3 is 9. The multiplication of these 3, 2 into p into q is 2pq. 2 into q into 3 is 2 3 is 6q. And 2 into p into 3 is 2 3 is 6p. Okay. Now, next formula or identity is expansion of x plus a into x plus b. Expansion of these two brackets, multiplication of these two brackets is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Multiplication x into x, x square, x into b, bx, x into a, ax, a into b is ab. Now we will get another expansion or formula or identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus. Now take x common in these middle terms. A plus b into x plus ab. This is the formula. For example, we'll take an example for this x plus 3 into x plus 2. Let me expand this. X plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to x into x is x square, x into 2, or we can use this formula a plus b means 3 plus 2 into x and plus 3 to the 6. Then we will get the answer x square plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into x is 5x plus 6 means x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the answer. Now exercise for day 12, 22. Homework for day 22 is factorize n square minus p square. You have to factorize this by using formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. You have to use here n plus p into n minus p. Same formula is there. Second example, expand m minus 4 into m plus 6. M minus 4 into m plus 6. By using formula or identity, we have to solve this example. Okay. The next example is expand m plus n minus 2 whole square. You have to use here a plus b plus c whole square. Using this formula or identity, you can solve this example. Got it? Take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot for homework. Okay. Now we have so many time, therefore we can take another day, which goes for day 23 also. Okay. We'll take day 23. Sharing a PPT for you. Welcome in day 23, bridge course of 9th standard maths. Day 23 is also algebraic identities, another identities of maths, formulas. We can say them as formula also. How to learn them, study them carefully. Let's recall. Next expansion, 6 number, is expansion of a plus b whole cube. How to expand this? A plus b whole cube is equal to, it means multiplication of a plus b and a plus b whole square. Then we will get a plus b into, we know the formula for a plus b whole square. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply first bracket to second bracket. We will get a into a square is a cube. A into 2ab is 2a square. A into b square is ab square. Then b into a square, we will get a square b. B into a 2ab is 2ab square, and b into b square means b cube. Then we have a cube plus, now here it is 2a square b plus a square b. A square b are like terms. Therefore add them. 2 plus 2a square b plus 1a square b means 3a square b. Again ab square and ab square. Then we will get a cube into 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Therefore, a plus b whole cube is equal to, we will get this identity, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You have to remember this formula, Chaitanya. Now, we will take an example for this. For example, p plus 3 cube. P plus 3 cube is, use above identity a plus b whole cube for this example. A means p and b means 3. Value of b is 3. Then p cube plus 3p whole square or 3p square into p, sorry, 3 plus 3p into 3 whole square plus 3 cube. Put the values. Then we will get p cube plus 3 into 3, 9p square, 3. Square of 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. 27p plus cube of 3 is 27. 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Therefore, we will get the answer p cube plus 9p square plus 27p plus 27. Okay. Next expansion of a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b. It means multiplication of a minus b and a minus b whole square. We know a minus b whole square. Therefore, a minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will get, now multiply first bracket to second bracket. First of all, multiply first term of first bracket to whole second bracket. Then multiply second term of first bracket to again second bracket. Okay, means a into a square. I will show you this a into a square. We will get a cube. 2 plus 1 is 3. A into 2ab. 2 into a is a square. Means 2a square b. Then a into b square. Means a b square. Now, first term we have multiplied already first term to second bracket. Now multiply second term of first bracket into second bracket. Now b into a square. means a square b minus a square b. It is b into 2ab minus b into minus 2ab is minus minus plus 2a b into b is b square. Now b into b square. B square into b is b cube plus minus minus b cube. Okay. Therefore, we'll get a cube minus now addition or subtraction of like terms 2a square b a square b a square b minus 2a square b and minus a square b will become add them minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3 minus 3a square b. Here it is 2a square b and a square b. We will get 3a square b. Now ab square plus 2ab square we will get 3ab square. This is 2 and plus 1. Coefficient of this ab square is 1. Therefore, 2 plus 1 is 3 ab square and minus b cube as it is. Got it? Therefore, an identity becomes a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Got it, all of you? We get this identity or formula. You have to learn this. I heard this formula. Now, example for this is expand p minus 2 whole cube. By using above identity, we have to expand p minus 2 whole cube. Use above identity for this. P minus 2 whole cube is equal to p whole cube minus 3 into p square into 2 plus 3 into p into 2 square minus 2 whole cube by using above formula. Then we will get p cube minus 3 into 2 is this is multiplication of these 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 p square. Now 3 into 2 square into p. Square of 2 is 4 and 4 3 is 12. 12p minus cube of 2 is a. Okay. Got it? Next is factors of a cube plus b cube. We have to find out the factors of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. This is an identity or formula. Its identity. Now we have to use this formula or identity for solving below examples. X cube plus 27y cube is equal to x cube, cube of first term plus cube of second term. 27y cube is cube of 3y. Okay. Now solve a cube plus b cube. Use this formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Therefore, value of a is x and value of b is 3y. Means x plus 3y into x square minus x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Then we will get x plus 3y into in second bracket x square minus 3xy plus square of 3 is 9 and square of y is y square. We will get this answer x plus 3y into x square minus 3xy plus 9y square. Clear? Next identity 9 number factors of a cube minus b cube. Same formula is there. Here it is plus and here it is minus. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Change of sign is there only. Nothing is changed. Only signs were changed. For example, we'll take an example on this. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. X cube minus 8y cube is equal to, we have to use above identity for this. Now x cube minus 8y cube is cube of 2y, is 2y whole cube. Now use the formula above identity for solving this example. A is equal to x and b is equal to 2y. Now put the values. Then we will get x minus 2y in first bracket, and in second bracket x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. Got it? Understood? All is clear? Simple formulas are there. These are some identities or formulas which you have to learn, study, and by heart them. And use this formula. By using these identities, you have to solve examples based on algebraic expressions or algebraic identities. Got it? Okay. Next is our exercise or homework for day 23. Homework for day 23 is expand 2m minus 5 whole cube. We have to use here formula a minus b whole cube. By using this formula or identity, you can solve this example. Got it? Second example, expand 7x plus 8y whole cube. Now we have to use a plus b whole cube, this identity, for solving this example. 7x plus 8y whole cube. Third is factorize 125p cube plus q cube. 125p cube plus q cube. For this, we have to use next formula a cube plus b cube. Okay. Next identity. Now, next example is factorize x cube minus 64y cube. X cube minus 64y cube. For this example, you have to use an identity a cube minus b cube. Okay. Got it, all of you? Okay. You can take a screenshot for this exercise. Take a screenshot for homework. Do your homework in your maths notebook. Okay. Study carefully, study hard. This PPT is prepared by me. It's Mr. Khire Sandeep Vithalrao, an assistant teacher at Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, Shikshan Mitra, and like and share my videos. Please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, you will get, if you subscribe my channel, then you will get the notifications of my videos. Got it, all of you? Thank you very much.